Hello guys, welcome to Collective Love Reading. So this is collective. Wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante yung reading kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, maaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi ka makarelate, hindi ka makaresonate, okay lang yun. Normal yun kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukulat ng energy ng tao sa mundo, no? So anyway, this is for collectives. General love reading. Let's start your reading, collectives. For collectives, guys. Ito yung side mo, ha. Kunin mo natin yung main energy mo. Pero pwede rin maging side to ng person mo. Depende sa pangyayari sa buhay mo. Okay. Kung paano ka makaka-relate dito. Let's start. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. For collectives. Oh, you do have here the King of Swords. And the Queen of Swords, of course. Page of Cups. Yan. Sorry, this is the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. And then the Seven of Swords. Ayan. So, sa nakikita natin dito, you're backing off na eh. Umaatras ka na. You are this person na parang, di ko na siya kailangan. Mahal ko siya noon. Maaaring nag-offer ka ng love mo noon, pero ngayon hindi na. Because you are the Seven of Swords. You feel like, kumaga parang utak na mo nung ginagamit mo ngayon. You're thinking about your plans, yourself, kung paano ayusin ang buhay mo, magkakaroon ng changes sa buhay mo. You are focusing on money, career. Nagiging professional ka ngayon actually with the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords. So, importante ngayon yung maybe yung degree mo, yung improvements mo sa sarili mo. Maybe yung iba sa inyo, tinatry mong magkaroon ng lisensya. I don't know, whatever kind of professional energy ang pinagkakabalhan mo ngayon, pero nandito talaga ang focus mo. Pagdating sa love, wala akong nakukuha. You're like, binabawi mo na kung ano man yung mga sinabi mo noon sa kanya. Kung sasabihin mo ito ulit ngayon, imposible na. No? And who is this person that you're dealing with? Sino itong tinutukoy nating tao dito? Kunin natin yung energy niya. I feel like kina-cut off mo din itong person na ito. I will not take this. Masyadong maraming lumabas. Okay. Kukuha pa ako ng isa. I feel like I need to get one more. Oh, of course, this is the person in the past with the Six of Cups, past energy. And the Page of Pentacles is here. I can see offer naman dito sa taong ito. Maybe in the past, of course, na may kinalaman sa pera. May kinalaman sa material na bagay. Okay, so pwedeng nagkaroon ng usap sa inyo na tong taong ito. Yan, na may kinalaman sa pagtulong. And regarding doon sa past nga, na ibinigay mo, na may kinalaman sa love, hindi siya naging sigurado, nag-alangan, hindi siya naging sure about this. So with the Chariot, I feel like for this person, maaaring inisip niyang masyadong mabilis, or basta umalis or lumayo na lang siya, or naging runner itong person na ito sa connection ninyo. Anyway, ano ba yung mga emotions ninyo dito? Ano yung emotion mo para dito sa taong to? You do have your engagement ring. Naramdaman natin na naging komportable ka talaga sa kanya photograph. Yan, naging importante siya sa'yo because nag-iwan siya ng malaking alaala sa'yo. And you feel nostalgic, no? Sa person na ito. Maybe in the past. Parang hinanap-hanap mo siya. And I feel like, sa ngayon, ang focus mo, abundance, money, material things. This is you focusing whatever you want in your life na minamanifest. Nandun talaga. You are manifesting money, a lot of goals, success. Kaya nga, with the separation, separation and acts. Pinipili mo na lang tapusin or i-end or i-separate or makipag-separate it sa person na to because maybe you do feel this love in the past pero wala na eh. Abundance na lang nasa focus mo ngayon. Pera na lang. So, how about this person? Ano namang nasa emotions niya towards you? Emosyon ng person na ito patungkol sa'yo. Spirit guides, angel guides for this person's energy. Ano naman yung emotion niya para sa'yo? You do have here the heart with the key, the snake, and one more card. Yan. Separation. So, both of you, sa ngayon, actually, yung person na to is nagkakaroon din ng separation sa inyo dahil I feel like may other person with a snake. So, pwedeng may kakonect ding iba itong person mo na ito ngayon. Maybe, he or she feels like ito na yung perfect connection for him or for her. So, either ganon or ino-open niya ang sarili niya sa iba. Okay? And you do have your photograph. So, kung makikita ninyo, both of you may energy ng photograph. And also, both of your energies ay merong separation. So, talagang, parang itong connection na ito, nasa past na talaga. This could be a past person. And ayan, with the hand of cards, meron siya mga options. Yan. I do feel like itong person na to kailangan niya mag-ingat. Yeah, the axe is also here where nagpakita rin yan sa side mo. The axe is also here. Kailangan niya mag-ingat sa mga nakakamit niya, ha. If you're dealing with a person who is maybe still single, waiting for someone or meeting someone new with a hand of cards, hindi lang isa yung nakakamit niya, maybe 2 or more. Kailangan niya mag-ingat karmic relationship kasi this could be lessons na pwedeng ma-experience ito person to. With the girl talk, these are like communication dun sa mga taong yon. Pero kailangan niya mag-ingat. Nakakita tayo dun ng mga lessons. So, might be, may mga makakakonek siyang hindi pa talaga para sa kanya. Well, talking about emotions, wala. So, yun sa'yo kasi karmic relationship, guys. You're mirroring each other. I don't know if you're dealing with your soulmate or your twin flame kasi pareho ninyong mini-mirror ang isa't isa. Kanina pa tayo nakakuha ng mga mirroring energies. But anyway, what will happen in the near future for you and this person? Near future energy, spirit guides, angel guides for our collectives. Okay, I will not take that. Ito lang kukunin ko. Ace of Cups, 9 of Cups. Okay, one more card. In the near future for collectives, please. 10 of Swords and you do have here the High Priestess. I do feel like parang ang kapal ng pagkakahawa ko dito sa card na to. Hindi naman siya ganun kakapal, but naramdaman ko yung makapal na energy and I want to clarify what's with the High Priestess. The 7 of Wands is here at the bottom of the deck. Ayan, Three of Cups and the Page of Pentacles. Okay, kaya ako natatawa kasi the Page of Pentacles is here. That's the Page of Pentacles. That's your person in the past. Andito siya sa future. Andito siya sa future. And alamin natin, kunin na rin natin yung sa side ng person mo. Spirit guides, angel guides, what do we have here for collectives? Four of Cups, the Chariot, the Devil, and the Ace of Wands, Three of Wands. Do have here the King of Pentacles. Tapos kukuha lang ako ng tig-isang card dito sa deck na ito. You do have your twin flame. So I told you could be dealing with your twin flame. Sa side din ng person mo. You do have here the mask. Clarify the mask, please. Hand of Cards. Okay. The Chaser is at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Can you believe this? Ito. The Chaser is also here. The Chaser is also here. Sa bottom of the deck mo. So, I can see in the future, you do have a lot of admirers. And hindi ko alam kung may kakonect ka, may karelasyon, whatever your status is, even if you're married, if you're single, whatever, maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo. Because you have everything with the Ace of Cups. Maraming kamahal-mahal sa'yo, maraming kagusto-gusto sa'yo. And now, because of this, no, I can see na mas lalo mong ini-end yung connection mo with your person. Like yung twin flame mo. Because, aanhin ko pa yun. Marami namang dito. Marami namang meron dito. Aanhin ko pa yun. But guess what? The more na lumalayo at umiiwas ka dito sa person na ito, I can see reconciliation coming in here for you. Especially this is your twin flame. May reconciliation talaga. Ayan na naman siya eh. And I can see reconciliation. Why? Kasi marirealize niya with the Four of Cups na ayaw niya pala itong mga options na nandito sa harapan niya ngayon. And in the future, there's possibility that this Devil, Capricorn energy, this is the person or people na kakonect niya, lalabas yung totoong ugali nila. Lalabas na karma talaga sila. And that your person will choose to leave these people dahil marirealize niya, ay, ayoko pala dito sa mga ito. Kasi makikita niya kung paano siya lokohin with the mask. Hand of Cards, these are the people, yung sinasabi ko nga kanina, na kakonect niya. And hindi talaga mag-work out ang connection na ito sa kanilang dalawa. Okay? And with the Ace of Wands and the Three of Wands, this person will miss you. No? Kaya nakikita natin gagawa siya ng paraan with the Chaser. Gagawa siya ng paraan. But with the not enough, I feel like mataas ang ego mo eh. And with the Chaser and the Kisses, can you see that? Pareho na naman ninyong mirror ang isa't isa. Both of you love each other. There's unconditional love between the two of you. Pero ang medyo challenge lang dito is yung taas ng ego mo. Okay? So thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.